What are growth factors in cancer cell growth? Have you ever wondered how cancer cells grow and thrive? One key player in this process is something called growth factors. Growth factors are proteins that help regulate normal cell functions. They play a role in growth, division, differentiation, survival, and migration of cells by binding to specific receptors on the cell surface. In the context of cancer, including reproductive cancers like testicular and cervical cancer, growth factors can significantly contribute to uncontrolled cell growth and tumor progression. When growth factors bind to their receptors, they activate important signaling pathways inside the cell. Two of the most notable pathways are the MAPE-ERK and pi3°Kelvin-AKT pathways. These pathways control gene expression and influence how cells behave. However, when the signaling from growth factors becomes dysregulated, it can lead to problems. This dysregulation might happen due to overproduction of growth factors, increased activity of their receptors, or mutations that keep these receptors constantly active. As a result, cancer cells can bypass normal regulatory mechanisms, leading to continuous growth and survival. Several key growth factors are particularly involved in cancer cell growth. One of them is Epidermal Growth Factor, often referred to as EGF. This factor and its receptor, known as EGFR, are frequently overexpressed or mutated in various cancers. This can lead to enhanced growth, invasion, and metastasis of tumor cells. In reproductive cancers, abnormal signaling through EGFR can contribute to more aggressive tumor behavior. Another important group of growth factors is the Fibroblast Growth Factors, or FGFs. These factors promote angiogenesis, which is the formation of new blood vessels. This process is crucial because it supplies tumors with the oxygen and nutrients they need to grow and survive. Similarly, Vascular Endothelial Growth Factor, or VEGF, specifically stimulates blood vessel formation, allowing tumors to expand beyond a certain size. Transforming growth factor beta, known as TGF-beta, has a more complex role in cancer. In the early stages, it may suppress tumor growth, but later on, it can promote tumor progression by altering the tumor environment and suppressing immune responses. Growth factors also play a role in other aspects of cancer progression, such as invasion through tissue barriers and metastasis to distant sites. Interestingly, cancer cells can acquire mutations that reduce their dependence on external growth factors. However, these factors remain central to tumor growth and are important targets for cancer therapies. In the context of reproductive cancers like testicular and cervical cancer, understanding how growth factors influence tumor growth, angiogenesis, and metastasis is crucial. This knowledge can help in developing targeted therapies that inhibit growth factor signaling pathways, ultimately controlling cancer growth. Overall, growth factors are essential regulators that cancer cells hijack to sustain their uncontrolled proliferation and survival. By understanding their role, we can better grasp the biology of cancer cell growth and work towards more effective treatments. Always remember, if you have concerns about cancer or your health, it is important to consult healthcare professionals for personalized advice.